Many homeowners are looking for ways to lower their monthly payments without having to write a massive check for thousands of dollars in closing costs. A no-closing cost refinance is a popular strategy where you can upgrade your mortgage terms without paying any money out of your own pocket on closing day. There are two main ways this works, including rolling the fees into your total loan balance or accepting a slightly higher interest rate in exchange for a lender credit. While the interest rate might be a quarter point higher than a standard refinance, the savings from not paying upfront fees can be significant for many families. This is an excellent option if you plan on moving in a few years and do not want to wait a long time to reach your break-even point on the costs. It allows you to keep your cash in your savings account for emergencies or other investments while still benefiting from a lower monthly housing bill right now. The key is to have a professional run a side-by-side comparison to see which option actually saves you the most money over the time you plan to stay in the home. Visit changemyrates.com today so we can crunch the numbers and show you exactly how a no-cost refinance can improve your monthly budget.